Fantasy 7 would like to get out of here, but they've been blocking me for the last 5 minutes. I don't know what's going on. Hello on this wet, soggy day. This is Ariel from Wandering WandA. We are here in Charleston, South Carolina. KOA, space number 19. It's a very large pull-through. And surprisingly enough, when I pulled in, we are leveled left and right. Fabulous. Ample green belt area. So my rig to the next rig, and they have a pull out. So water in, water out, 50 amps, very nice. Again, no leveling blocks needed. Nice ample space. Turn the water on. Nope. Nope. Okay, we are all gathered here in this one aisle, which is nice. Tomorrow we are going to some battleship. I don't know. So let's go get our packages. There's an Airstream over there. We got a filming with them. Okay, right now, would I stay at this park again? The answer would be yes. I would stay at this park again. The rain jacket is from the biggest truck stop in the world during the Route 66 tour. This is a 4X, and I had it tailored so the sleeves actually fit me, but it's nice and comfortable. It's very roomy, it's not too tight, it breathes, so it's wonderful. I do like my KOAs. They do have a lake, which means, well, we're in South Carolina, which means when it's not raining, we gotta do bug spray. They have propane fills here, they have ice, they have a pool, and again, I gotta go get my packages. Oh, another Airstream, 30.
And here's Ariel.
Hello.
Ariel likes to do videotaping. This is Courtney.
Hello, Courtney.
She smiles for you.
Oh, well, she already did. Look at that beautiful smile. Here we are in Charleston. We've been here before. There is a national park that I did go to 2-3 years ago. And I said I would never come back here. And yet, here I am. Okay, the only reason we drove today is because I didn't want to go to the aircraft carrier, and I have to get gas. And there is an Asian market, H&L market here, which is west of Charleston. I know because I've been there. Right. It's a nice little market. I think I can get postcards here.
Mandatory. And
There you go.
Okay. We got Bill's Hobo stew.
Oh,
We've had
come
this
on,
before.
bring that rice over here. We gotta have a little liquid here.
Yes, please.
That's the best part of the whole thing. There you go, sir. You got it?
You got it.
You got it.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
If I knew I was on film, it would have been funny.
Wow, you're a hungry guy today.
Today, just today.
Fingers.
That's for your Washington.
Where do you set it to
Set
zero?
trip. I'm sorry. Set trip meter to 0. Turn right on South Morgan Point Road.
So
That's
just
the
be-
first stop
Just
sign.
before you turn right.
No,
Don't go that way.
Don't go that way. Go to the
you
shopping.
can,
It's horrible.
but it is windy, twisty, lots of trees,
Oh,
a lot of trees, and it's. And if you want to give it a go, go. We've done that before, but this other way is a little bit more protected as far as your coach goes. Okay.
Don't do that.
Okay.
So you'll hear all sorts of stories. It's pretty cool city. It really is. All right. Any questions? You hungry for dessert?
I'm going to bring dessert out, and once everyone's served, we're going to keep the fire going. And I think we're going to have a little session tonight with desserts and disasters, in case you all want to share a camping disaster you have encountered along your way.
Doesn't necessarily have to be something you did, but it would be helpful.
Well, we just had ours, so we can share it.
Back on that.